every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the Kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm finally going to try Laura's mussels and spicy broth. Now this is like a cursed recipe for me. Once I got desperate not being able to find fresh mussels and I bought frozen ones. Once they defrosted, I had to throw away like every single one of them because they were all open, and you know how they say like if the mussels are open before cooking it, just throw it away. So I had no mussels. Next time I prepared everything. I was so sure I will find the mussels already. I go to the shop and everything is sold out. Man, so today, get this, I was so eager. I called them and I asked to tell me when the fresh, like the seafood comes in because they bring it on certain days. And I was literally the first in line, so eager. So I'm doing it finally. So if you're as curious to see how it goes and how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We are gonna need 1 kilo of mussels, cleaned, scrubbed, and debearded, 4 cloves of garlic, sliced, 1 large tomato, chopped into large pieces, 1 cup of white wine, 40 grams of olive oil, 6 grams of fresh parsley, chopped, a pinch of hot pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. Okay, I have my serious guns here. The biggest pot I own just because I love using huge pots for cooking mussels to give them space and so that it's easy to mix in the very end. So to that, I'm gonna add the olive oil and preheat it over medium-high heat. Once the oil is really hot, I'm gonna add the garlic, tomato, parsley, and hot pepper flakes and cook for 2 minutes. Oy, this smells so tasty already. Okay, now to this, I'm gonna add the wine and cook for 3 more minutes. Oh, this smells amazing. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium. Add the mussels, cover with a lid, and let them cook for 5 minutes. And that's literally it. Goodness, am I excited about my dinner. Ooh. Okay, which one? This one. My God. While I'm assembling the perfect bite, meaning I want everything, I will just quickly mention then that there's a hilarious video of me trying to make mussels for the very first time. And there I go into all the detail about how to clean the mussels. I cry a bit, I feel like I'm gonna die a bit. Anyway, you know, the whole story. So if you're quite new to cooking mussels and you're like quite intimidated or not sure what to do, I definitely advise you to watch that video. You will feel way better about yourself. Okay, I have some fresh. Okay, I didn't toast it, but I have some fresh baguette. I have a perfect bite. Here we go. Oh my God, I was waiting for this so much. Of course it is good. How else? I love. I have like a little piece of shell. I'm so Laura trained. I love dipping my bread into the sauce and then tasting this. My God. Actually, I normally toast the bread either on the grill pan, or I'm still waiting for my gas stovetop. I actually have tostapanne, I believe. That's how it's called. If not, don't laugh at me. I asked as a gift who was going. I don't even remember who was going. Someone was going to Italy, and I was like, I need that thing. And it was so funny. I remember them telling me how they went to various shops, like, you know, like unnamed shops, to search for that because there were no such things to buy in like simple shops. They had to go to these kind of like, what's the name in Iran and Turkey? They call it 1 million shop, like all the nicks and knacks of like household items. I'm not really sure for the exact English term for such shop. So anyways, I got that. So it's basically like a really cool old school contraption to toast your bread like directly above the flame. I love it. I was using it in Turkey all the time. It's just like when you see charred bread, there's nothing better. There's actually nothing better seeing anything charred. Ooh, would we be better charred? Anyways, I cannot wait to use that. I cannot wait to dig in further to my dinner. This is great because it has, oh, okay, I will be very careful. I will show you this, show you that. That's the Laura's version. Mine looks pretty much the same. I was really generous with the sauce. I put as much as I could because I knew I would dip the bread inside and just, you know, eat it. It's so good. There can never be sauce. Because it's wine-based sauce and because there is a tomato, it's a bit sour. So be aware of that. But I love mussels, so whatever sauce they come with usually is fine by me, as long as I have fresh bread. I'm such a happy camper right now. These will cool down really quickly, so I don't want them to go to waste. This is so good. This is so good. I love seafood. I love crossing things off my list. This was on that, like, you know, to try one day recipes list for quite some time, and finally I could do it. I'm so happy. So I feel like today's such an accomplished day. If you want to watch Laura make this recipe, the link is there in the cards. If you want to try it yourself, the written recipe is in the description box down below in both American and the metric systems. Whichever you use, you're covered. And as I'm eyeing my next mussel, I will be signing off. If you want more seafood recipes, the whole playlist is there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!